Basically, they were tasked with performing construction layout for 33 pylons, which you will not see. They're part of the foundation and they will support the building. And part of that process is coming up with a precise location of the building, which we basically take from the architect's plan, but we are the ones that have all the boundary control, and so we make sure that this layout of the pilings will be as close to what the architect called for in their plan, but it will also meet the City of Jacksonville's required building setbacks. So that was part of the calculations that are done before we even get to the site. The crew comes out with standard surveying equipment. It's basically a total station with onboard computers, and that has coordinates in it for each of the points we're setting. After we set the points, especially because it's construction layout, we'll then come back and check the location by just measuring between so many points to make sure everything's tight. They'll pull their large auger up right over that point. They'll get it lined up perfectly with it, pull the stake out, and then drill down. They'll then pour concrete, and then they'll pour a cap on that and a grade beam, as you know. And really the layout of that grade beam, that's going to be much tighter than the layout for the auger itself, because we do have room for a little bit of error in there. Dining Group is a civil engineering and land surveying company. One of our specialties is providing low impact development designs, civil designs, and that is part of the LEED certification process. That's how you take it to the civil aspect of your work. And it was our relationship with Meckling Engineering, who works on a lot of green construction, that really brought us in the loop here. And what we did is we have assisted Meckling in some of the civil engineering tasks, and that included sizing and siting the on-site sewage treatment and disposal system, which is required by the city. We also had a chance to design a overflow for the stormwater reclamation system, and that overflow involves underground piping that takes it through the seawall. And so we felt that there were some very interesting aspects, unique aspects to this project. I felt that you all have done a very good job of surrounding yourself with good professionals. There have been a couple of times that we all needed to get together, come up with an idea, and it was just a pleasure working with everyone. I think everyone felt that we came up with the best solution for the owner, and that's really the idea of it. So it's been a real pleasure.